Good morning, it's Fran and this is Frantoku Demo, and today we're going to do is Kamen Rider Zest DX Triple Zester. So here's the box, and we got here is the Triple Zester, then Zets Ordem, and on the back is everything that you want to know about it, and on the side we got the Catastrom and Ordem with the Triple Zester, and on the other side we got the content. On the top, we got Triple Zester and the Capsim include, and most of all is the warning choking hazard. So with no further ado, let's the mission begin. And here it is, the Super Form's main weapon. As you can see, it's a firearm type, had a solid black body and grip with red and silver details. Also had a gold trigger, the foregrip, and a Gatling type barrel. It's the simpler and the smaller version seen in the show. Also notice the three Capsem sockets, hence the name. And on the back, which is totally solid black, and here's the power switch and the speaker. And now let's do the sounds and functions. So we switch this on. Okay, it says Triple Zester, and then pressing the trigger, we'll do a single shot, and by holding it, we'll do a rapid shot. Another feature is the foregrip, that you can be pull and then push will make the barrel spin, and also had a rollers inside it that it had the same function as the Inazuma Blaster. And now let's do the finishers. This had 3 attacks based on how many capsems you put on. So we're going to insert the impact capsem on the first socket. Okay, so there's the standby sound. Then pull the foregrip to charge up. Then we're going to push both trigger and foregrip. Okay, so that's the single buster. So now we're going to put another one. This time is the stream capsem on the middle socket. So we're going to do the same process. Okay, so now we had the double buster. Now let's put the third one, which is the plasma capsem on the last socket. Okay, so now we got the triple buster. And to remove the capsem and on the back is by pressing the release button located on the top. So here it goes. Okay, then and now let's do the ultimate finisher. So we're bringing back again dual mirror capsem, and we're going to put it in the middle socket. Okay, so we got the new standby sound, and we're going to do the same thing. Okay, so now we got the ultimate over finish. Next we have here is the Capsem include, which is the Catastrophe Capsem, which is glittered black in color, and inside is Zed's Catastrophe shooting with the triple Zester in the blue background. And now we bring back again Zed's driver, and here we go. Okay, so it just says Kamen Rider, and now for the finisher. Okay, so now for the other finisher. Now let's do it with the Lord Invoker, and here goes. Okay, so here goes the finisher. Okay, so here's the other finisher. And lastly, let's do the scan. And that's it for the DX Triple Zester. So thanks for watching, and until the next demo, mission over. Ciao.